Good morning, grade 10s. Today we're going to look at income received in advance and how the entries is going to look in your ledger account. And I'm again going to use the example that you have in your notes. We start off here with a rent income account with a balance of 8,400 on the 31st of July. And they also tell us that they rent out a storage room for 600 Rand per month, but it's been rented out since the 1st of January 2001. So that's more than 2 years ago. They also tell us that we need to do the ledger accounts for the financial year of the 1st of August 2002 till the 31st of July 2003. So it doesn't matter that we are renting out the storage room for more than 2 years. We only need to calculate the rent income for these 12 months. So if I'm going to take the 600 Rand, multiply it with 12, it gives me an answer of 7,200. And that is the amount that I need to receive. I must receive 7,200. But we already received 8,400, which means that we received 1,200 too much. We therefore need to subtract that from the rent income account. So we're going to debit the rent income and credit income received in advance. Now, income received in advance is then a new account that's being created, which is a current liability. The reason for that is that we actually can't use this money because this money is actually meant to be for the next financial year. So it's actually for us a liability to already have it in our bank account. Then if we can look at the general journal, you will see here that you're going to debit rent income and credit income received in advance. You also see then if we're going to do the closing transfer of the rent income, we're going to debit rent income and credit profit and loss. And that is our closing transfer. You can also see it there in your general journal. And then if you look at the post-closing trial balance, you will see that you only have one entry there regarding this adjustment, and that is the income received in advance, which is your liability and therefore has a credit balance. And that is then income received in advance